Hello everybody, my name is Kang Chun Yang. Today I read Dogman and Cat Kid for you today. Chapter 3, The Talk. Ice cream, here we come. Hey, where you think you're going? He coming with us. Sorry, kid. Make him stay here. But why? Don't make him stay here. Or no ice cream. Wait here for me, ADC. 10 minutes later. Here go, kid. Thank you. How the ice cream? Good. I sorry had to take you with this skirt. You didn't trick me. Alright, smarty pants. You are here and beat me. But you don't understand how I surf. The car are locked anywhere for me. They're gonna put me back in jail and throw away the key. I got nowhere to hide and nobody to help me. I'm alone. I help you, Papa. Do you promise? Yeah. Great. I'm gonna move in with you guys, and we can continue the evil training. But I don't wanna be evil, Papa. Would you stop calling me Papa? I'm not your Papa. You my clone. That means you and me are the same. I'm evil, so you have to evil too. You don't have any cons in the matter. But I wanna be perfect like Dogman. Dogman is a perfect. He's a goody Milto's Grumble. He never breaks any laws. He never has any fun. I don't wanna break any laws either. But you just did break a law. I did? Yeah. I need escape convicts, and you promised to help me. That called hair blowing a fugitive. That's against the law. It is? Yeah, it's a felony. And look at the sidewalk. You dribbled ice cream and over it. That's literally you are a monster. And now you draw diary. Boy, you really are evil. Maybe I should be talking lesson for you. Give yourself to the dark side. It is your Disney. My son. Okay, everybody. I can draw another character and another character. And please subscribe for me and like for me. Bye bye, everybody.